It's rare to see the stars and stripes here in Venezuela, especially these days. But we're in front of a plane that just arrived directly from Phoenix, Arizona. This plane is operated from ICE, the U.S. government agency that is tasked with the order to remove and deport as many undocumented migrants as possible. It's a flight that was carrying more than 260 undocumented migrants that were deported from the United States. And this flight essentially tells us two things. Number one, that despite all the government rhetoric and the campaign of pressure against the Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro, there is still some level of communication between the US government and the Venezuelan government in order, if only, to coordinate one of these flights. At the same time, this tells us that the order from Donald Trump that he posted on Truth Social earlier on last Saturday, calling the Venezuelan airspace closed for all airlines and for pilots, well, that order doesn't count if the airplane is a US-made, US-run airplane carrying undocumented migrants, deported migrants, which is clearly much more important for the White House than anything that can take Maduro out of power.
With the flip of a switch, all 50,000 lights illuminate the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree.
Amazing. It's off my bucket list. This is something I wanted to do.
I loved it. I've been waiting to do this for like 2 years.
It was so beautiful. The lights, everything, seeing everyone come together.
Hundreds of people filled Midtown Wednesday to see this 75-foot Norwood spruce shine.
I always want to see this tree, and there it is.
What are you here to see?
Lights.
This family made the last-minute trip from Ohio just for this.
I flew home last night, got them up this morning at 3 a.m., and we drove in for this.
To get a front row seat, Jean Stevenson lined up before 2 p.m.
I wasn't going to miss it, so I was the first person through the line.
All those hours in the cold, you better bundle up.
I'm about froze.
This year's tree hails from East Greenbush, New York, and is topped with a 900-pound Swarovski star made of 3 million crystals.
Every year when I see it for the first time, it makes me cry. I just love Christmas. My family loves Christmas, so that's just, I had to go.
For the Tonner family, all the way from Scotland, making this memory is a Christmas wish come true.
This is my first time in New York and it really means a lot to me and I love it.